If you want to open apps in split screen view on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, all you have to do is, first of all, you need to open the first app that you want to open in this split view. So let's say I'm going to use the Play Store in this example. Next, we're going to go to the recent or background apps. And over here, you can press and hold your finger on the app preview in order to open these additional options. And in here, we need to use this icon over here where we have two rectangles. Now we can open the second app that we want to open in this split view. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Of course, we can move around. We can adjust the split by using this line in the middle between these two apps. We also have these three dots at the top of each app, which allow you to, for example, switch sides. You can also switch to the floating window mode. You can go back to the full screen. You can also go back to the full screen by dragging all the way down or all the way up. And of course, we can also close an app like this and reopen another app in the split screen view. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.